Okay, I'll try this again. I have a hard time holding the camera up. Okay, world's best sandwich right here. It starts with a healthy dose of peanut butter. You got to put 2 layers on there on both sides, right? Look at that. Peanut butter. Got that? Okay. That is, can't get the peanut butter in the frame here, but it's Skippy Creamy. We'll just tilt it up here for a second. Creamy Skippy. Okay. Then on one side, you'll want some, this is upside down Miracle Whip. You can use it right side up or upside down. I prefer it in that squeezy bottle. And it, you just kind of want to scrunch this around a little bit. Get rid of that knife. And now, you can use real cheese if you want, but I use fake, processed, Kraft American cheese slices individually wrapped for freshness. Fold that shit up. Delicious. And you can enjoy that with milk, Diet Coke. Got a little mess in the kitchen here, sorry. Milk or Diet Coke or iced tea or whatever. This is it right here. Not much to look at. Just peanut butter sandwich, peanut butter, cheese, and mayonnaise. I call it mayonnaise, but it's Miracle Whip. Okay, that's it.